Need another, Clay.
Another one?
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, I see it. Here.
Here's your shot. Here's bait. Stick that up in there. Give me a speed square, Clay. We may have a pair of snips over there too. It's inside that. Although, never mind about the snips. I already got it open over here. Yeah, I do need snips to cut the metal. I should have a checklist. Need to be 45 inches. Right here. Cut the other side. Close it up more, guys. Cut better. And roll it. Right. This is going to go on the other side. There's going to be cut right there. So we put that on there. That way it's past the end of the house and the water will drop off at the end of the house. We're not going to put in downspouts, because it tends to make more maintenance. Nobody gets up there and cleans it. End up with a tree or two growing up in that dirt that's in the gutter. I've seen that several times. You clean your gutters? Oh yeah, every now and then. But there's a tree growing in there. Alright, I'm going to move my ladder over here. By the way, to let you know one of the little tricks that I do, not that I'm expert at this, these holes are just a little bit smaller than the screws that we're using. So you won't have to use your gut wobbly long pin or long screw wobbly and everything. You can literally just kind of get started with your finger, and then you can slip your bushing that goes in the gutter easier. But if you make it too big, bigger than the screw, it will slide in and wobble around, fall back out, ends up being a hassle. So just make it a little bit smaller than the screw, and then you can get the screw started, stick your bushing in. That makes sense? Mm-hmm. I'm going to make sure that I don't have to climb up there. I'm going to go ahead and seal this up. If I put caulking out, I will. So if it ever holds water, it won't run out. Take that to him, Clay.